Hi, I'm Kate Goldhouse, and today I'm going to show you a recipe for cooking vegetable lasagna. This recipe is entirely vegetable-based, which means it's gluten-free and also free of cholesterol. To make your bechamel sauce, add 3 cups of your favorite plant-based milk. Then add a ½ cup of raw cashews, which have been soaked in warm water to soften. 3 teaspoons of arrowroot flour, you could also use cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a ¼ cup of nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 cloves of garlic. Blend together until smooth. Add the mixture to a medium saucepan and cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until thickened. To make the Parmesan cheese, to a blender add 1/2 cup of walnuts, a ¼ cup of nutritional yeast, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Blend till just ground. Sauté 4 cups of sliced mushrooms and 1 large chopped onion for 5 to 7 minutes. In a large glass baking dish lined with parchment paper, add a layer of your favorite marinara sauce, a layer of sliced eggplant, bechamel sauce, spinach, the sautéed mushrooms and onion, and repeat until you run out. Sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top and bake for 1 hour, covered with foil at 400 degrees. Not only is this recipe delicious, but eggplant helps fight against cancer and lowers LDL cholesterol.